There is a silent panic happening inside the offices of Red and ARRI right now. For decades, the cinema camera was a massive, expensive beast that required a crew of 5 just to move. But as we sit here in February 2026, the walls are closing in. A new leak from the heart of Sony's Tokyo headquarters has confirmed what we all suspected. The king is returning. The Sony FX3 II isn't just a sequel to the world's most popular run-and-gun camera. It is a calculated strike against the entire film industry. We are talking about a device that fits in the palm of your hand, but possesses the raw processing power of a Venice II. If you are a filmmaker, a content creator, or someone who just bought a Canon C70, you might want to sit down. Because what Sony is about to release is going to make your current gear feel like a museum piece. Why is the FX3 II such a threat? To understand that, you have to understand the 12.1 megapixel trap. For years, the FX3 was praised for its low-light performance. It was the darkness king. But in 2026, 4K resolution is the bare minimum. Clients are demanding 6K for cropping. Social media needs vertical, open-gate flexibility, and AI-assisted post-production requires more data than the original FX3 could ever provide. The FX3 II is the answer to a question we didn't even know how to ask. How do you pack an 8K-capable, global shutter-style sensor into a body the size of a lunchbox? The leaks are points toward a revolutionary triple-stacked sensor. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete departure from the Alpha series architecture. Sources suggest a 24.2 megapixel sensor that can switch modes. In cinema mode, it uses pixel binning to create the cleanest, most dynamic 4K image ever seen. But with a flick of a switch, it opens up to 6.2K, open gate, in 3:2 aspect ratio. For a US audience obsessed with TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, this is the holy grail. You can film one shot and crop it for every single platform without losing a shred of professional quality. But there's a catch. A secret feature buried in the code of the prototypes is called neural fusion. What is neural fusion? It's Sony's answer to the AI revolution. The FX3 II reportedly features a dedicated AI Compute Unit 2.0. This isn't just for following eyes or faces. This chip actually reconstructs grain in low-light situations. It analyzes the scene in real time and applies a film-grade noise reduction that looks like Kodak 500T film stock, rather than digital mush. Imagine shooting at ISO 51200 and having the footage look like it was shot at midday. This is the end of lighting for indie filmmakers. If you can't afford a $10,000 lighting kit, Sony just gave you one for free inside the body. Let's talk about the design, because the space gray industrial look of the original is being pushed even further. The FX3 II is rumored to feature a vapor chamber cooling system that is 30% more efficient. No more fan noise leaking into your scratch audio. No more overheating in the Texas sun. But the most controversial change? The removal of the mechanical shutter. By going all electronic, Sony has managed to shave off millimeters from the depth of the camera. It's now thinner, sleeker, and features a smart side grip that doubles as a secondary battery. But here is the hook. The new grip features a built-in